So here I'm on the side of the building and I can hear my sub pump going off, and then it looks like it's shooting water out right here. It doesn't look like the water travels anywhere. It just kind of sits there and then goes back under. So there, it's happening again. You can see it just keeps going over and over again. I don't think this was set up. I know I'm not an expert in these things, but I have a feeling this is not set up properly, because I would think that it shouldn't just keep going off like that, and it should be shot out further into the field or something. That's just my logical thought pattern. But anyway, let's go look under the building. Well, tried to get in the crawl space and the handle broke, as you can see here. Apparently either, I don't know if it wasn't done strong enough or this thing's too tight. I couldn't pull it open. So my adventure continues. As you can see, I've got these tools here. I'm gonna see if I can do something to get this door open now. It's so tight. You can see I got a nice little muddy fun stuff down there. It's great. And gotta keep working, gotta get it done. So this is my solution for right now, trying one thing at a time. And I gotta sort of commend the guys for making this doorway so tight, but at the other end of it, I gotta say, come on guys, too tight. Can't even get this thing out. Yes, attempt 2 failed. The eye loops just pulled out. This thing is just in there too tight. I'm probably gonna have to resort to maybe chipping away over on this edge, because that's where it's really getting held up. So we'll see. So it was kind of inevitable, but the rest of the handle just came out. I knew that it was on its way. So now I gotta figure out a way to actually grip this thing. My tool list is growing, but I'm gonna try to do a less invasive method first. I'm going to try to use these. These are pretty tough screws. Put them in somewhere, drive them in, and put some of these guys on here. Lock them on and see if I can pull it out. And then I can actually do this properly and drill good holes and get washers and eye loops and stuff like that, whatever I need. So that's what I'm going for now. The adventure continues. Success! It worked. I just had to get these screws in the right place, so I was putting pressure not in the middle but on the edges, and it pulled out. It was still hard. I'm still out of breath, but now I can find out what's going on down below. So here we are, and my flashlight's going haywire here, so there we go. You can see right here. Yeah, you can see the bubbles right there. It's all water underneath there. So it's completely flooding underneath the house. I mean, is this, 3 feet high? No, but this actually wasn't too terrible of a rain. So I'm concerned about what happens if we do get more rain than this. That's obviously the biggest question, and hard to see. I'm not going to crawl all the way back there, but it does go all the way back. So, yeah, rough day. Wasn't expecting this in the morning, especially in a new house that I just bought.